question 4. So the question is, write a program which accepts a sequence of comma separated numbers from console and generate a list and a tuple which contains every number. Suppose the following input is applied to the program: 34, 67, 54, 33, 98. The output should be like this: a list and a tuple. And let's look at the hints. Assume it should be a console input, and tuple method can convert a list to a tuple. So the first thing that we need to do is see how we can get the input from console. So let's say console input is equal to and for now we'll just print this. Let's say 30, 45, 12, 87. So this is a string. So we need to convert a string to an input. So let's see. Python string to list. Okay, so it says dot split method. So if I do dot split, and this should be separated by a comma. Again, let's enter a sequence of comma separated numbers. 4. Now this is easy. So we can say that we want console input list as, so this can become the list, and console input tuple is equal to a tuple method. Terrible. So we say console input list over here, and then we can print all of this. We have let me clear the terminal. And run the program. And it works as expected. Let's look at the solution. Yep, this is correct.